Hey everybody, welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at this fresh trade. We've got a 2020 Yamaha 242S. Let's hop inside and take a look at some of my favorite features. Inside the Yamaha, you'll notice we've got two great seats here that face aft. Great spot to hang out when you're at the sandbar. A nice spacious center walk-through, allowing you to get in and out of the boat without having to step on any upholstery. Captain, co-captain chairs. Do have a bolster for the captain. Twin engine, a lot easier to park and operate. And a great storage area here. We currently have the table stored in. And a large open bow with a step so you don't have to stand on any upholstery. Come on down to MarineMax and Rogers and take a look at our new Yamaha trade.